Okay, welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make chicken satay. From request. Yeah.
Not my request, is
No, from
the viewer's request.
From the viewer request.
The viewer.
The viewer. All right. And the ingredient is not much actually. Okay, but the main thing is chicken. We use chicken thigh, not chicken breast, because this one are more tender. And the coconut milk, palm sugar, or you can use normal sugar. Sliced lemongrass. This one I think about 20 gram. And galangal, sliced 10 gram. Curry powder, cumin powder, coriander seeds, and cumin seeds. But first step, we're going to roast this one in the pan to make it nice. You can get nice smell from here. After we roast, then we grind it with the
pestle and mortar.
pestle mortar.
Pestle and mortar, yes.
Pestle mortar. Or sliced chicken.
Sliced chicken first.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, the chicken thigh, this one boneless.
Do that one again.
This.
No, what you just did.
Oh, this one just.
This one, Thai sharpening knife technique. Yeah, just on the rock.
No, every Thai kitchen they use. Okay. And this one you slope the knife, right? Okay. This one not too thin, not too thick, but actually quite thin. I use the word massage, yeah? Yeah.
Oh, see, massage this.
The chicken make is the tender.
I thought you. Okay.
No. You just follow what I said. With the coconut milk, and then 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Okay. Yeah, just massage and leave it. Okay. And then we roast cumin seeds and coriander the low heat. But we put the coriander seeds, this one. It takes longer than the cumin seeds. Okay, you can see the color change a little bit, right? And then you put the cumin seeds. You can smell.
Home.
But the smell totally different. You roast or you not roast, totally different. Okay, only a few minutes. Okay, now we slide it with the pestle mortar, right?
So how many spoons you put in this?
We put 3.
Oh, home.
Home, yeah, smell. You can smell. Okay, and you can see very fine. Then you put galangal, lemongrass,
Oh, sexy pounding. Oh, look at the technique, yeah?
喲，有冇搞錯啊？
Oh, look at that technique.
But she do it every day. Okay, now all the ingredients we have done. But this one we don't put all. Yeah, as I told you, we can keep in the fridge. Can last a few weeks or even 1 month. Right.
It's like one large spoon.
Yeah, just 1 large spoon, and then curry powder, 2 teaspoon, half teaspoon turmeric powder. This one just make the color, and salt, half teaspoon first, just half, yeah, and then we can 1 tablespoon of sugar, and palm sugar, yeah, 2. And add a little bit more of coconut milk, and then now we beat it, mix, and then we just massage and mix well all the ingredients. If the color not yellow enough, you add a little bit more of the turmeric powder. You have to be really yellowish. Or if you don't have that much time, you can even half an hour, 1 hour. Yeah, just marinate and leave it before you just poke in the wood. This one, when you can taste, you have to be more tasty. After you marinate and leave it, you know the taste absorb to the chicken. After the massage, the chicken with all the ingredients, you cover with the cling film about half an hour. But stick, you wet with the water first.
Oh, why you do that?
Why? Because the taste is not absorbed to the wood and more easy to put the chicken in the wood. And you twist the chicken like this.
Okay.
No, actually, if you don't like chicken thigh, you can use chicken breast instead. Now
Okay, here's one we prepared earlier.
time to grill chicken satay. We have 2 ways to do it. If you have grill at home, but I don't think, but only summer you can do for barbecue at your garden.
My garden, yeah?
In your garden,
Okay,
but
everyone welcome.
unfortunately I don't have garden. Then I have to use the other way to do it. Use ทั้ง 2 อัน use the pan. Use the Teflon pan. This one non-stick. And we prepare the coconut milk leftover. Then I put a little bit of turmeric powder. Yeah, I show you through this one first, okay? The heat not too high. Okay, and for the grill, yeah, we turn a few times, but we have a man helper in the kitchen.
And how long do these take usually?
Cannot say. You can turn and check. The gas too high, you can get burned outside, but inside uncooked. You have to have the patience. Okay, we use the coconut milk we have prepared. Yeah, grill with the pan is take about 5 minutes, 8 minutes. Yeah, the kitchen to be cooked and look very moist, juicy. But this one is take longer.
Right, well, these satay are just amazing. So I'm just gonna tuck in. Got my peanut sauce. Oh wow. Tender, succulent. This one looks good. Look at that. That looks amazing. This is so easy. It's so amazingly good. I found the hot plate better than the grill. It was quicker, and I found it to be more succulent. But see what works best for you in your kitchen. Take care, hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thanks for letting us hit 250,000 views. There's more to come, so keep watching. Take care now. Bye.